In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your credit limit with Bank of America. If you're looking to boost your spending power, or perhaps you want a better credit utilization ratio, then this walkthrough is exactly what you need. So without further delay, let's jump into it. First, you'll need to open the Bank of America app on your mobile device and sign in. This is where it all starts. Make sure you have your login credentials handy so that you can access your account smoothly. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to your credit card account. On your app's dashboard, you'll see various accounts listed if you have multiple products with Bank of America. Look specifically for your credit card account and tap on it to open. Now that you're inside your credit card account, your next stop is the Information and Service section. This area of the app houses most of the account-related actions you might need, such as queries about credit limits, managing card settings, or even securing detailed transaction histories. By going to Information and Service, you're essentially setting the stage for your credit line increase request. Once you're in the right section, look for the option that says Credit Line Increase. This is a dedicated section just for increasing your credit line, making the process simple and user-friendly. Tap on Credit Line Increase, and you'll be prompted to provide a bit more information. Now comes a key part of this process. You'll need to provide your current income and housing information. Banks need this information to assess your request accurately. They consider your ability to manage a higher credit limit based on your income level and your current housing costs. Having up-to-date and accurate information here helps your case significantly. After you've entered your income and housing details, you'll be ready to submit your request. Take a moment to review everything you've entered to ensure all the information is correct. Once you submit, the only thing left to do is wait for approval. Typically, Bank of America processes these requests fairly quickly, but the approval time can vary. The bank will evaluate your request based on several factors, including your credit score, payment history, and the financial details you just provided. You'll get a notification once your request has been processed with details about whether your credit line increase was approved. So there you have it, an easy and efficient way to request a credit limit increase with Bank of America. Ensuring your spending needs are met while managing your credit responsibly can really give your financial health a boost. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other banking needs, feel free to browse through my channel for more helpful tips.